Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1001 at DoubleTree by Hilton Penang. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. We have an armchair right there, the sofa, a table with notes from the hotel, a magazine, the Samsung TV remote. And speaking of the Samsung TV, it is right there. And below we have the bins. Here we have the pantry area. Tea and coffee making stuff. We have mugs and glasses below. Tissues and spoons right there. Here we have the fridge. It is empty, so you can put your own items in there. More mugs right above. Room service menu, 3 bottles of water, a power outlet together with the kettle and the Nespresso machine. And the view out of the living room, we can see the valet car park of the hotel below, the road leading up to the hotel, some trees, the condominium next to the hotel, and we can see the sea in the distance. There is a light right there with another table and the in-room telephone. Next to the main door of the room, we have a power outlet below. We have the climate control panel for the living room right there, together with a light switch and the do not disturb and makeup room switches. More light switches right there. And here we have the entrance to the bedroom. The bed is right there, it does look quite comfortable. On the right bedside table, we have storage below, a drawer right there, light switches, power outlet, 2 lights, desk area with the desk chair and drawers for the desk. And right there we have more power outlets together with a couple of USB-A ports and a HDMI port. We have a mirror right there. Here we have the climate control panel for the bedroom together with light switches for the bathroom and a power outlet below. And here we have the entrance to the bathroom. Straight ahead as you enter the bathroom, we have the bathtub with towels. And to the right of the bathroom, we have a huge mirror. Hello. Another smaller mirror right there. Hooks on the back of the door. Another hook down there for a towel. With a power outlet right there. And there we have body lotion and hand wash. Box of tissues. The sink. More towels and glasses. All the bathroom amenities, more towels below with a toilet roll and storage. And to the left of the bathroom, we have a bin, the toilet, the bath mat, handheld spray, toilet paper, and we have the shower area right there. Shampoo and conditioner. Shower gel is down there. And it is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there with the rain shower right above. Okay, so there we have the wardrobe area with storage above. safe, a torch light, ironing board, iron, drawers for storage, in-room slippers. We have hangers right there and bathrobes, place to put luggage. More bins down there. And the Samsung flat screen TV for the bedroom is right there. For the bedroom side, we have a balcony. On the balcony, we have chairs, a table, and we can see the sea as well, with trees, the condo next door, the other hotel room balconies, as well as the valet car park below. And the lobby, the hotel lobby is down there. We can see the living room windows as well. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1001 at DoubleTree by Hilton Penang. Thanks for watching and goodbye.